qualities of teaching behavior, mentor, model, and the leader. And these are three responsibilities of the teacher in the classroom and in the school or in the institutions. So, what kind of in what way these are being developed, and what are these qualities? Teacher has always influence over the students through his expertise, not by the coercive power, and in that way the teacher is considered as the great leader. The teacher knows the students well and is kind of the respectable towards his students. The teacher, these are two different situations. Teacher has to lead the students, teacher has to earn the respect, teacher has to give the respect to the students. The teacher has high standards and the expectations coexisting with encouragement, support, and the flexibility. Teacher has to support, encourage, and have flexibility in the behavior towards the students. The teacher empowers students and get them to do the things of which they did not think they were capable. For example, the students are in the lower level of the experiences, lower level of the cognitive aspects. Those things those things students are not knowing. The teacher has to create those things, build those things, transfer those things in terms of the knowledge, behaviors, and the skills. Qualities of the teaching behaviors. Teacher is serves as a coach, guide who helps students to improve on their skills and insights. Secondly, the teacher is a disseminator of knowledge and skills to the students. The third one is the teacher. Teacher is a role model to the student, practices what he or she preaches. What the teacher is saying, he has to play his role, show his role accordingly. Otherwise, if there is a difference between his saying and doings, that the teacher cannot be the role model. He or she upholds moral values and humanitarian principles in all his actions, so that the students should have respect and the students should get respect. The teachers conduct their day by day doing in such a way that their behavior can be cherished by the learners. The teachers are expected to be human model for learners. Yes, and one expects from a good human, and that should be possessed by the teachers. They must uphold the codes of the ethical conduct, respect, dignity, empathy, sympathy, love, honor, etc., that are necessary and essential in human modeling and moral education. The teachers are expected from the students, from the society, from the institution, from the state. That should be the innovator. The teacher should be creative. The teacher should be resourceful. The teacher should encourage diversity and individuality in his or her students. One last important thing that you as a teacher must know, that how to keep separate your personal and the professional life. How rich you are, how influential you are, how weak you are, how much problems you are facing, that is your personal life. That should not be mixed in the professional life. That is very important aspect, and that is the dilemma in our system, that separating the professional life with the personal life is difficult. Therefore, as a professional teacher, the future teacher of our generation, you has to understand that these are the personal aspect which should not be mixed with the professional aspect, should not be discussed with your students. The students should not be allowed to discuss your personal issues in the class, in the school, etc. And you yourself should not talk personally to the students. Your personal life should not affect your professional life.